Blessed rising, folks. Again, it's your boy Element. Just giving you guys a glimpse of my day. Heading to work right now. I'm already over in the city already. See, they took the tree down already. Now heading into work. About to clock in the next day. Give you guys a look into the day today. Give thanks, Father, for another day. Let's go make this day and get on back to the family. About to head in now. Swipe this card. One more day at it. I want you guys to stay tuned, stay locked in. Show you guys a little more in the course of the day. Things that I'm about to get done. At the end of the day, what I got accomplished. About to go see the guys now upstairs. In my previous video, as I had showed you guys, I have 4 lines that I'm bringing down all the way. Oh, they close off the stairs. The guys are working on the stairs here right now. Take a different route. These are the elevator guys. They're working on the new elevator right now, as you could see. And now setting up the new elevator. This is the one that we use, the hoist, as of right now. The guys is on this floor. They're welding already. Blessed rising. The guys are set up already. On the net, Kwazak is on it already. The main guy that I depend on every day. Make sure you come in and set up early. But You can see welders in there already. Setting up, welding. Guys are working on the electrical wires. Welders in. Let's rise in Poison. Alright. Alright, I'll get back to you guys in the course of the day. Give you guys an update. Stay tuned, stay logged in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I have to figure out some more materials because from the first floor I reduced into 2.5 inch. Morning, fella.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm reducing to 2.5 inch, so I got 2, 4. I got 4 lengths of 2.5 inch. I got a few lengths of 3 inch, 5 lengths of 3 inch. So I got to see what I have left downstairs. See how many more pipes I have left downstairs. Yeah, that's about it. See your boy Element again. I'm on it. The guys are working all the way up in the corner there. I have to go mark out the marking for the treadlets. So these guys could start boring it and setting it up. Alright, let me go see how much more pipes I got left here. So I got 4 lengths to 2.5 upstairs. How many here? Okay, I only have 1 length left here. 2.5. Only 1 length. Alright, I got 2 more lengths to 2.5 here. So that's a good thing. My welder's all the way up there. These are the guys that are doing the duct work. Well, there's on it right now. That's a plus. Getting this thing done. Finish. I think he finished welding off this line here already. So right now he's working on the 5-inch line right now. So I just located 2 lines, 2.5-inch line here. I gotta take it downstairs. But let me take a look at this drawing here. Got it on my phone, but let me see what's going on here with this. So this is the 4th floor. I already installed this. The 4th floor. So 3rd floor, 5-inch, 3-inch, 3rd floor, 2nd floor. So here's where I'm at right now on the 2nd floor. I already sent through. I already went through the 2nd floor already, so I reducing from the 2nd floor. I'm reducing as I go to the 2nd floor. I reducing it. As you notice, I got my reducer there already. So What am I reducing to? Oh, 4 inch. I'm reducing to 4 inch from the 5 inch, and from the 3 inch, I'm reducing to 2.5 inch. So I gotta get these pipes together on the fourth. I gotta get a 4 inch. So 2.5 inch going all the way down to the subcellar. So alright. So as I go to the forest floor with 4 inch, and the cellar are reducing again to 3 inch on these 2 lines here. Okay. I need 3 inch pipe. Okay, beautiful. Alright, so that is it. I'm about to go gather these pipes now. And try and get started on that. Just stay tuned. And you guys gonna see more updates in the day. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It's your boy Element. And hit that bell. I do appreciate it. I gotta get a hoist right now because I'm taking some pipe downstairs right now. As you can see, I already got it loaded. I'm taking these pipes all the way to the forest floor. This is the 2.5 inch. These are the two. Down! Nice in here, man. Alright. Taking this 2.5 inch all the way right now. Got them loaded up. Taking them to the forest floor. This is to reduce from the 3 inch to the 2.5. So, got it set up already. Throw them on the hoist. Take them down. We're downstairs. Hoist just passed me straight, so I gotta see, catch the next hoist and go down. Yes, folks, so this is what it's like. Get this next hoist and go down. Hoist going up. Here's how the day go. On it, hard at it. So they got an elevator here. Right? I think this may be the lift elevator. And then on this side is where they got 4 elevator. Going down. Alright, I'm about. Here's how it goes sometimes. The days be so busy. Sometimes it take a while before you could jump on a hoist. That's kind of slow the process of we really gotta get done. So I gotta wait on a hoist now so I could take these pipes down on the forest floor. So stay tuned, guys. I'm alright. We good. Everything alright? Alright. Yeah, guys. So as you can see, I just bring all my pipes down here right now. I got 2.5, 4 inch and 3 inch. So I'm setting up right now to start this. Bring down these 2 lines here right now. So I got everything set up for this floor. I'm on the forest floor right now, so Yeah, I got everything set up. I'll go set up the guys now and bring them down to start this one here. Gotta wait on the hoist. Right now we're rigging up with pipe. There's a 4-inch pipe we're rigging up here right now, as you can see. Going up to connect right now. 4-inch. You gotta put it on the ground, no? You gotta drop it. You gotta drop it. So I just wanted to show you guys the progress today, as I was showing you upstairs from the second floor, and we all the way on the first floor right now. It's finished welding out, so tomorrow we will continue with the 3-inch up there. I already got my pipeline out, so that is it for today. I'm actually heading out right now. Overall, it was a great day, so kind of leaving outside now to head home. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Now heading out to site. Con Medicine doing their work over there.
So his face.
As I showed you guys in the previous video, from the top of where I'm working, that they're about to put up a new building right on this block, right over here. There's going to be a new building over here. I'll show you in one of the previous video from top, but you know, I'm down now, I'm out heading home. So yeah, right over here is where they're going to put up a new building. Right now I'm on 47th Street heading home. This block is where you'd find all the jeweler, some of the most expensive watch and some of the most expensive jewelry you'll find on this block here, 47th Street. Between 5th and 6th. Some of the stores on this block. A lot of nice watches. Some beautiful watches here. Looking for something for your wife, engagement, marrying. Come out here, you get all the jewelry. $47 between 5th and 6th of. You can get everything you need out here. You get watches, you get jewelry. Both sides of the street. All type of jewelry you could think about. Just taking a different route while I'm going home, but you know, these are the places if you're looking for a nice proper watch and nice jewelry. Right here you could come. And you know the police have to be out here because it's a prime industry. Nice chains. Yeah, folks. Again, it's your boy Element coming to you. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Do appreciate you guys' support. That's another day out of work, getting home. Eyeballing the finest things, you know. Money could buy some of the finest things money could buy. Nice jewelries. So this is it for me today. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Again, appreciate your guys' support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Show some love. Respect and manners at all times. See you guys in the next one.